Hi, everyone. Welcome to Talk to Include. This is a podcast by Hands in Inclusion, and we're here to raise awareness about autism. Today, we're very glad to have the presence of our two wonderful guests. First is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Social Work from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, Batang Intramuros. She has passed the boards back in 2018. So please welcome Gianna Paula Velasco, RSW.
Hi everyone, thank you for having me.
Thank you for the time. The next guest that we have, she's a doctor of medicine from the De La Salle University Medical Center, and she's a family medicine resident. Also, like Gianna, an advocate for autism awareness. Please welcome Dr. Desiree Lapan.
Hi everyone. Thank
Hi.
you for having me.
Thank you for being here. Now let's go straight to the point. Let's tell our audience and everyone who's concerned what is autism, what it really is, right? What it entails. Ano ba talaga to, di ba? Parang maunawaan ng mas nakararami na ano ba talaga ang autism. Let's start with Gianna. What can you tell us about it?
So, autism is just a different way of the brain's interpretation of information. So, just like everyone else, we have different perspective of different experiences. So, autism just gives you a different viewpoint or vantage point of experiences.
So, since you mentioned that it's like having a different vantage point, I mean, bakit ba nagkaganon? Ano ba yun? Is it, how did they acquire it? Is it a disease? Is it an illness? Ano ba to? Nakakahawa ba to? Pag ba may barkada ako may autism, mahahawa na niya ako, magkaka-autism na rin ako. Is it genetic? Namamana ba to? Diba? Ibig sabihin, ang parents ko may autism pala, baka mamaya may autism na rin ako, diba? So, ano ba talaga to, diba?
Okay. So from a medical standpoint, autism is actually a neurodevelopmental not a disorder or a disease, but a condition.
Okay.
Wherein the person has social and communication difficulties, and they show repetitive and restrictive interest or doing things. Yeah. Tapos usually they re-diagnose or signs or symptoms can come out, or you could see. Anyway, where the signs and symptoms of a person with autism can come out or be more noticeable by the age of 2.
Okay.
And I just want to piggyback on that thought that I do agree that it's not a disease, it's not caused by parenting, it's not something to be fixed. So we want to reiterate that autism is a natural variation in human beings. So it's not something that is a disease or something that needs to be cured.
So, ibig sabihin, kasi hindi siya sakit eh, di ba? So, even if you're friends or, you know, you're close to someone with autism, hindi ka naman mahahawa, di ba? Kaya hindi siya sakit, di ba? Hindi siya sakit. So, ando kasi madalas yung stigma na, nako, di ba, yung word na ginagamit natin, autistic, autistic yun eh, di ba? So, parang yung iba, nagkakaroon tuloy ng discrimination, ganyan, di ba? Parang, huwag kang makipagbarkada yan, di ba? Or huwag kang makipag-friends yan, or something like that, di ba? So, ang maganda, it's clear that, you know, this is not a disease, di ba? And it's not something to be scared about per se, but it's something that we need to be aware of, diba? So that we know how to manage it, handle it. When it comes to this ba, paano ba natin nalalaman if someone has autism, diba? Parang, ganyan yan, weird yan eh, diba? May autism na agad yan, diba? Hindi naman siguro ganun, diba? So, is there a diagnosis for that? Is there, you know, signs that we can see?
Yes. Actually, this, like I said before, there are certain signs that that present itself usually by the age of 2. So usually these are the child have missed their developmental milestones, or these look like the person or the child doesn't smile towards towards people. They're either they don't do they don't do babbling or yung making sounds when they're in the early stages.
At ang dami talaga mga signs as a person grows older. Pero syempre, when it comes to autism awareness, we wanna advocate for the idea of early referral. So, yung mga early referral, let's not use it as a label way of saying, oh, this person has autism. Early referral just means na we are providing support, we are identifying the needs of the person early on so that they wouldn't have to go through so much struggle para lang makapag-function in society.
Oh, I see. So, about the early referral, sino naman ang taong lalapitan nila? I mean, are there designated professionals that handle it? O meron mga frontliners that can, assist them right away or assess them with that? So, kanina sila unang pupunta?
In an ideal world, of course, meron tayo mga professionals in place in every community. So, we are expected na lahat ng barangay health workers, mga pediatricians, mga public health units, they are prepared and they are trained to accommodate all of those referrals, early referrals, making sure that they treat those referrals as a rights issue and not just an overreaction of the parent. Because we already have a Republic Act in place for anti-discrimination.
Yeah. Right.
We have RA 7277, which affirms the rights, dignity, participation of all individuals. Yes. So, itong RA na to should be upheld by all of the public health units in all LGUs, schools, churches, whatever community the person is included in.
Siguro pala, if someone goes to school, dapat the teachers would also have parang may hindsight sila or basic parang skill or training to at least identify, or if not identify, parang, di ba, ability to refer someone, di ba? Parang makita na, parang this person needs, di ba, refer to someone else, di ba, or to a professional, di ba? So dapat pala, our schools are also aware of, and, mentioning schools, meron bang specific or certain types of school na dapat puntahan itong mga ito? O can they just enroll at any regular school? Can they just interact with everyone else, di ba? O dapat ba parang mga SPED schools ba itong mga ito? So,
Actually, it would depend on the level of their autism.
so may level pa rin pala. Okay.
Can be mild, moderate, or severe. Although they can go up and down that.
Okay. Parang
Depending-
dynamic.
Dynamic siya, depending on how much they have improved with therapy through the years. They can go up or down.
So, yung therapy pala, it really helps, in not, kung hindi man alisin, it alleviates o talagang nai-improve yung condition ng person with autism, Kaya, napaka-importante pala ng early referral talaga para, di ba, as early as, 2 years old, di ba, ma-start na.
So if I may butt in there,
Yeah.
actually, probably the first person to see if the person had possible autism would be your either GP, your pediatrician,
Okay.
who will see the patient
Okay.
on a regular basis and determine if they are hitting those milestones. If not, then we can do further assessment.
Tsaka correct me if I'm wrong, di ba, yung autism, it's not really as a standalone condition, di ba? Yung autism is like, a whole spectrum, di ba, of different
Yes.
conditions, no?
Yes. So one person may have difficulty in communicating, whereas another person may be verbal, but they may be struggling elsewhere.
And their ways of expressing, no? Oo.
They may be sensitive to sensory
Right.
things.
Kasama mo dyan yung mga, di ba, there are children who are dyslexic, di ba? O some are having difficulty expressing themselves by, di ba, yung music. Or some are great in music pero not really good in communicating verbally, di ba? So, is it
It's part of that.
Oh, okay.
And
Kaya pala-
honestly, autism is like a constellation of traits. So wala talagang one trait for one condition. So one person could have many strengths,
Mhm.
but also have many weaknesses compared to other
Correct.
people with autism. So we can't really generalize what conditions one
One
person with
Mm.
autism would have. So, since we are talking about those traits, we wanna also tackle about the stigma going around
Right,
those spectrum,
Mm.
right? Like you've mentioned, Doc, that we have so many conditions to look out for. And right now, especially in the Philippines, families are only informed about two certain categories of autism, which is high functioning and low functioning. So for those who are not aware about those functions, high functioning labels, or what we call them, would often mask the needs and the support of the person. People would have a stigma like, oh, since you are high functioning, you don't need this kind of support anymore.
Yeah.
Same goes with low functioning. They tend to mask strength. They tend to erase the capability of the person. So we don't want to categorize them in two different, just low functioning and high
Right, right.
functioning. We want to categorize them in their capabilities,
Mhm.
in what they can do. So there's like a lot of domains for the traits, like there's communication, sensory, there's also what do you call this, societal adaptation, so emotional
Saka kung
intelligence.
if you guys are saying that iba-iba nga yung kanilang output and inputs, di ba? So, pwede palang they might be high functioning in terms of, let's say, math, pero low functioning sila in terms of communication, di ba? English or something, di ba? Na, I remember nung elementary pa ako, he may or may not have had autism, pero I remember na yung classmate ko, sobrang galing niya sa chess. Talagang, di ba, parang siyang grandmaster. But, you would often see him na nandun lang sa row 4, nasa sulok lang, or, if it's time for recess, or if it's time for, yung mga activities na groupings, hindi siya masyadong participative. But then, pag yung mga analytical activities na gagawin, chess, math, yung dama, di ba, yung mga Scrabble, etc. Sobrang galing niya talaga, ang bilis niya function, bilis niya mag-isip. But then again nga, siguro, doon sa part na yun, high functioning siya. But then, when it comes to, socializing, di ba? Parang medyo anti-social nga ang dating eh, na, syempre, ang tagal-tagal na hindi kami, ano ba naman to, suplado ba to, di ba? O, masungit ba to, di ba? O, naku, ano yan eh, weirdo yan, kasi, di ba, hindi nakikipagkaibigan yan eh, di ba? Ganun ang stigma, di ba?
Can I just correct that? They're not antisocial.
Right,
They're more focused on what's in front of them or interests them.
So, some would say that, asocial, antisocial, di ba? O parang weirdo, ganyan. But it's not that, di ba? Hindi. So, I think we should start breaking that, parang stereotyping
Exactly, yes.
na, naku, weirdo. They're not weird, di ba? Baka nga tayo, we are weird for them. Di ba? In their own point of view. Weird yung mga yan kasi, di ba? Hindi sila ganito, di ba?
That's right, which emphasizes the first point that we've laid out in this podcast na it's a different way of processing information.
Right.
Just like everyone else, we have our own strengths.
Right.
We have our own weaknesses. And just like people with autism, some would require substantial support from a certain domain,
Right.
but would require less for others, right? So it's great to know that in this generation, especially the Philippines, we are moving forward to a more support needs model.
Mas may understanding.
Yes,
yes.
Rather than profiling them or
Right.
rather than a ladder type of categorization, we're focusing now on the support needs model. What do they need? Ano ba yung kailangan nila para
Right,
mag-function
right,
in society? Just like everyone else.
Mm.
And I wanna add as well dun sa mga specific schools, specific therapies being given to people with autism. I hope that people will not treat this as segregation.
Right.
Itong mga schools, they're just more equipped with helping people with autism. Just like regular schools, they are more equipped with curriculums, with a specific kind of goal. We just want to focus that all schools in general are focused on making sure that the child would function well
Right.
in society once they graduate.
Tsaka siguro dapat the schools, they have some sort of peer facilitating program. Kasi alam naman natin sa mga schools di ba? Parang sa schools kasi when you, naalala ko yung kantang First Day High, di ba? Yung music video ng First Day High. Nandito yung mga parang rebels ang dating, mga naka-black, di ba? Yung mga divergent nandito, di ba? Yung mga,
Segregated talaga.
yung mga athletics nandito, magkakasama, parang they can mix with people who are yung mga kikay na babae, na yung iba mga, ang tawag nila, mga nerd, mga geek, di ba? Hindi pwedeng sumama yung athletic tsaka yung mga rebel doon, parang there's talagang hindi naman totally discrimination, pero it's, kita mo may line between them, di ba? So siguro, we can drive or we can gear towards, inclusion. As our organization's name implies, heads in inclusion. Coexist. So, let's say, parang sa mga vehicles, hindi naman porket yung bangka sa dagat tumatakbo, weirdo na yung bangka. Diba? It's just that, that's how it functions, diba? The car, it functions on the road. The plane, it functions, diba? Up in the air. So, hindi naman porket magkaiba, yung functioning nila, di ba, weirdo na sila sa isa't isa, no? So, I guess we can also call for, better up-training sa mga schools natin, sa mga facilities natin that handle, children, di ba? So, para less yung mangyari sa kanila. Kasi traumatizing to, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, yung mga experiences ko ng elementary ako, hanggang ngayon, naalala ko pa na parang, di ba, yung iba ng bully.
Tumatatak talaga.
Tsaka ang daling mabully siguro ng mga ganito, no? I would imagine na,
Actually, anyone who is not the same as others.
right, oo.
Syempre tayo, individual people tayo. At some point, meron tayong differences.
Right.
And the minority would always be,
Cast out.
casted
Yeah.
out.
And I would imagine
ostracized.
I would imagine na if that person, kung may autism nga siya and may problema siya sa expression, how he expresses himself, di ba? Hindi niya ma-defend ang sarili niya, di ba? How can you talk back? Ang problema pa nito ito. Kasi nga may problema sila sa expressing themselves, baka hindi sila magsabi sa guidance counselor, sa parents nila, parang, how was your school? How was your day? Yeah, okay lang. It was okay. Pero yung pala, di ba, nabubuli na or something, di ba? Yung kasing mga simpleng asaran, kasi bullying na yun di ba? So, yun ang mahirap din. So, siguro kailangan may focus pa tayo on handling them.
So it really takes a whole village
Right.
to raise a person with autism. So
Talagang it's everyone's responsibility.
everyone's
ano?
responsibility. Kung ang normal na bata needs a whole village,
Right.
what more for
Right,
a
oo.
autistic person? So yeah.
Tsaka it would really affect the whole society in itself. It would affect nation building. Kasi, di ba, hindi mo alam kung ano magiging effect dun sa batang yan di ba? Magiging rebelde ba yan? Paglaki niya dahil sa mga nangyari? O dahil, kasi syempre, we're just, thinking out of the box, di ba, na, hindi nga siya expressive, pero sobrang galing ng analytics niya, ang galing niya sa mga mathematics. Baka naman pag binuli mo ng binuli yan, paglaki niyan, maging, di ba, cyber, di ba, or something, di ba, hindi maalis yun, di ba?
Aside from that, ang daming missed potential.
Right.
Aside from them being ostracized, yung potential na to contribute so much to society
Right, oo.
will be erased.
Oo.
Kasi hindi tayo accommodating when it comes to their condition. Kaya advocacy really is important, especially for people with autism. How do we advocate, right? So advocacy would mean that we would speak up.
Right.
We would push for
Speak up for them.
accommodations. Yes. But not speak for them.
Right.
We wanna give them a platform
Oh.
for them to express
Right.
themselves in their own way.
Right.
Okay?
A neutral platform.
Yes. Somewhere na lahat tayo would listen
Right.
Kasi ang goal natin is not to
Without
label the
judgment.
person. Yeah, hindi
Without
natin goal yun. Ang goal natin is to help each other.
Right.
Yun naman talaga yung purpose ng society, right? Na magtulungan tayo so that we could build our community. Let's push for accommodations in schools, in churches, in offices, especially after ng school nila, syempre magtatrabaho sila. And it's still a big journey for them pagdating sa employment kasi it's a whole different stigma.
O, tsaka parang domino effect ito, di ba? One thing affects the other. So, let's say affected siya, family niya affected na rin, di ba? So, parang on a bigger picture, parang it's talagang everyone's responsibility.
Yes.
Obligation pa nga, di ba? Parang it's everyone's obligation, di ba?
Yeah, it's actually a law. Hindi
Right.
lang siya sympathy or hindi lang siya like, ano to, moral duty. No, it's a responsibility dictated by the law.
Right.
Which is our RA 7277 that we've mentioned. So, let's look at it as a need rather
Right.
than have to. Like, parang napilitan ka
A
lang.
need behind a bigger need.
Yes.
Kasi, di ba, parang nakita mo na siya, that person needs support, di ba? It's a need that we need to address, di ba? It's a need that we have to address. Pero, the need behind it, hindi natin nakikita. The struggles of the
Yeah.
person, di ba? Yung mga
Let's remove our barriers.
Yeah, yung, di ba, everyday na, alam mo yun na, minsan ayaw na niya pumasok siguro, di ba? Siguro kaya may mga ganong, minsan tataka tayo na, ba't ba, di ba, bulak-bul ka sa amin, di ba? Ayaw mo pumasok, di ba, na ano, hindi mo magsasalita, di ba, na, wala.
Kasi judgment agad yung tanong
Oo,
ko eh.
oo.
Aside, imbis na, ano ba yung kailangan?
Oo, tsaka
Ano ba
matatakot sila minsan magsalita na, nako, baka pag sinabi kong ganito na naramdaman ko, parang, di ba, ma-outcast lalo ako, di ba, parang, weirdo mo naman, di ba, di ba, parang yung emotions mo, di ba, so parang ang dating pala dapat, hindi sila dapat kaawaan,
No.
hindi sila dapat, kung ano mang, kung ano man, dapat treat them as they are, di ba?
As a human being.
Yeah, and just provide support, di ba, what they need na ano.
They're no different from everyone else.
Baka nga better pa.
Oo,
baka
kasi
better pa.
certain
Oo.
aspects.
ang dami nilang strengths when it
Oh,
comes
yeah.
to their interest, right? Gaya nga nasabi natin, natural variation yan. It's just a matter of skills, experience, and
Right.
interpretation, right?
Yung iba siguro parang savant na di ba? Parang,
Oo.
sobrang galing to sa, di ba, music na, di ba, yung mga batang, hindi ka naman, di ba, you didn't study that, but narinig mo lang, yung, ang galing mo, di ba, for all we know, may autism pala siya, di ba, na hindi lang siya, pero ano yan eh, ang galing mag-gitara yun, pero hindi naman nakikipagkwentuhan sa...
Which proves the point that autism is not bad.
Yeah.
No.
It's completely natural, and it's something that we need to accept and support.
Right. And not degrade, di ba?
Yes.
Parang, ang nangyayari minsan kasi, magaling lang sa ano yan, pero ang galing mag-painting, di ba? Wow, siya, ang galing ng artist yun, na ano, pero, weirdo naman yan, di ba? Na ano minsan inaaya namin lumabas yun, ganyan, di man lang sumasama sa amin. Ano yan loner yan di ba? Loner
Dami
yan
talagang misconception
Oo.
about autism eh. Tapos, itong mga misconception, they're really blocking inclusion. So, we wanna, what do you call this? The biggest misconception actually is people thinking that autism is equated to incapacity.
Right.
Parang di niya naman yan kaya, huwag na natin
So, it's not
isama.
a disability.
It's
no?
not a
That's not-
disability. It's more on identifying where they could excel more.
Tsaka you mentioned incapacity, hindi, kasi not everyone is good at everything naman di ba?
Yeah.
So pag ba hindi ka magaling, let's say, kumanta, sasabihin, is that an incapacity per se, di ba? Hindi mo lang talaga siya talent,
Wala talaga
di ba?
yung skill set
Oo, hindi
mo.
na ako magaling kumanta, magaling naman ako sumayaw, di ba? So, ano ba? May autism na ba ako? Incapacitated na ba ako to do something, di ba? So, it's not a disability per se. Pero na lang, kung yung sinasabi niyo siguro na yung low functioning talagang, di ba? Siguro yun, di ba?
They would need
But
significant
it's
help.
probably a different level of autism, no, na siguro may other factors na that's involved, no, na siguro kailangan talaga ng professional intervention,
So with that, like I said before, it takes a whole village.
Right.
That village would include a lot of
Yeah,
people.
right.
So not only just the parents, the doctor, but also the therapist, social workers, the school, the teachers. So they will have to work together
Right.
with the aim of improving the patient or the person's quality of life so that they may live a normal life in,
Yeah.
in
But
society.
I think it should always start at home, di ba?
That's
So,
right.
if you want people to help, di ba, yung mga professionals and yung school, kailangan you would also help yourself, di ba? So, I think it would start with the family, di ba?
Yes, of
The
course.
parents, the siblings, kung meron man, di ba, na identify mo agad na, ano, di ba?
I've met a few parents who have come in very late because they've been in denial na there's something wrong with the development of their child. So I would suggest na if they noticed something
Right.
that's not quite right, they should seek
Tsaka,
consult.
yun nga, parang siguro ka dahil the country is not yet that
There is still
aware.
that stigma.
Di ba? O
That's
parang
true.
ibabaliwala na lang, i-shrug off na natin na parang medyo may konting iba ako nakikita. Pero okay lang yun, di ba?
Pero honestly, in the Philippines, a lot of Filipinos with autism are quite capable. It's just that they're restricted by so much restricted with rigid systems na
Right,
nag-refuse mag-adapt.
Oh, you're right.
So, autism is not a disability. I just wanna emphasize on that. But disability in general is produced by an environment that could not adapt,
right.
right? So, if people with autism are placed in an environment where they could freely express themselves the way that they could, we would be removing that label of a disability kasi they could function the way that they could.
Tsaka kasi yung Philippines, I mean, whether we admit it or not, yung appreciation natin sa mga psychological issues, hindi pa masyadong ganun kalawak
Yes.
in contrast, in compared
Like
with,
I said, there's
diba?
a lot of denial.
Oo, na parang, di ba, nasanay tayo ng mga bata tayo na,
Yeah.
sige, okay lang yan,
Yeah.
di ba? Kaya ba yan, ano ka ba, di ba? Ano ka, parehan lang di ba? Hindi, sige na, di ba? Usually, ganun yung environment na nakakasanay, especially sa streets, di ba? Mga batang kalye tayo, di ba? Na, okay lang yan, it's fine. Hindi natin alam na, hindi pala, meron pala dapat certain approach, proper approach to it, ano?
That could better accommodate them.
Yeah.
Right.
And on the other side then of denial is kapag yung family na-accept naman na nalang may autism yung family member nila, another challenge would come up na parang it's something that they need to fix. Na they're looking out for treatments or promises of cures na ina-exploit lang naman sila pero there's really no cure. It's not something to be cured. It's not a disease.
You can't fix
Yeah.
something that's not broken.
That's right.
Oo.
So, we wanna bring it out there then. Not just awareness about autism, but awareness of people taking advantage of families with loved ones that has autism.
Oo.
So, let's be careful or be cautious about treatments that would cure. Let's,
Wala talagang cure na.
oh, yes.
It's not something
And
to
there's
Let's
no-
rely on evidence-based
Right.
therapies.
So it's the treatment actually for autism is more on therapy, speech, occupational, kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin.
Right.
There is no such drug
Alright.
for autistic people to cure them. Just be aware of that. And like I said before, the main aim is for the person
Right.
to have better quality of
So
life.
sa lawak pala nitong spectrum na to, hindi natin masasabi na a single approach would be applied to the general people with autism. Diba? So, it's very unique, no? It's very unique per individual.
So it's catered to the individual.
Oh.
It should be the treatment should be
Right. So talagang
individualistic.
kailangan ng careful assessment
Yes.
na kailangan you would really be seen by a professional para no, this is the approach that we're gonna do. This is the approach. Kasi baka naman yung ibang families, yung anak ni paring ganyan, di ba? May autism din yun, ganito ginawa nila. Ganito na gawin natin sa hindi pala
Without
gano'n.
seeking consult.
Oo, no. Punta ka muna.
Yeah.
Oo. So, if you
So-
think, di ba?
So usually, when a GP pediatrician sees the patient that is not making those milestones, we would immediately refer to a developmental specialist
For further
assessment,
treatment.
further assessment first,
further assessment.
to be formally diagnosed
Right,
with autism.
Right.
And are they low or high functioning? Where are they on the spectrum? So
Tsaka yun nga, parang nabanggit nyo na yung severity, hindi mo severity kasi pero parang yung level of autism is, di ba, may mild, may ano, di ba? So maybe some don't really need yung ganong type
like
of
for some they would need speech therapy, yung iba
Right.
naman hindi. Some would need help with their daily routine, so they might
which would
need
require
care-
different professionals
caregiver.
din.
I do wanna add something. Gusto ko lang i-clear na when it comes to severity, walang severity, right? It's not a ladder
Right.
of high functioning ka, ito low
Yeah.
functioning. We don't wanna categorize it like that.
Uh,
We wanna have support needs model. So, a person with autism, i-assess natin ano yung needs, ano yung support, i-provide natin. Hindi natin siya i-label as, ito sobrang autistic.
Yeah.
Sobrang nasa higher level siya ng ladder. So we don't want to do that because again, it's not a ladder, it's a condition that needs support. So it just varies when it comes to needs.
So dapat pala talaga to parang continuous monitoring na
Yes,
parang
yes.
the support kasi parang ang nangyayari outcomes based ito the level of intervention would depend on the outcome.
Can I just say there's levels, yes, na for us to put the person in high ano ba dito?
On the type of treatment that you would
It would,
intervention.
There are 3 levels, diba? So yung una is low,
Mhm.
low 3 levels. Tapos ano yun it will depend on how much not treatment.
The degree of intervention siguro.
Hindi help.
How much help?
How much help they would need in specific areas. So, yung level 1 kasi, mild lang siya. So, they will only need help in certain areas. Pero, the rest, parang okay siya.
Parang minimal
Whereas,
supervision lang.
Minimal supervision. Whereas, yung sa level 3, they would need more help rather than compared to a level
It
1.
would probably require more people in the
yes.
team,
Yes.
Tama.
So, yun lang yung level. Pero, in those levels, they can go up and down.
Right. During their
treatment or during their life, they can go up and down. It will depend on how much help they will require.
Ako nag-worry ako slightly do sa perspective na yun. I do understand that in a medical field, iba yung way of
intervention.
or understanding a specific condition. My worry is that if we explain or we make it known to the public na people could go up and down, they might perceive it as resetting their progress, So, for me, as an advocate in the field of social work, we don't wanna label them based on how much they function. We wanna identify what support they need instead.
Right.
So whatever support they need, may it be 5 support, 5 treatments, it wouldn't matter. They would not be placed on a specific level.
Right.
Because sometimes there's a risk of missing out other needs. Because, that's already level 1. That's only level 1. So we don't need to supervise that much. But in hindsight, meron silang specific need na hindi nami-meet because na-categorize sila as
Right.
level 1. So, siguro, hopefully, as we progress our understanding and our accommodations when it comes to autism, we could explore these kinds of perspectives
Right.
and how we could really eliminate the stigma in society.
Tsaka siguro dahil it's a long-term intervention, di ba?
Yes.
Depending on, the level nga. Pero generally, it's long-term. So
Yes.
siguro, ang dapat natin maisip ulit ay yung yung cost, di ba? Kasi ang mahal nito.
Tama.
Yes.
Ikaw, the professionals that you're gonna tap, syempre may baka may medication yung iba, di ba? The food that you will need to eat, kasi di ba, it affects the hormones, it affects the neurotransmitters, the food that you eat, etc. Di ba? The environment that you are in, di ba, nag-apektuhan din yung how you think, how you perceive. Siguro maganda rin na, ang ganda ng PhilHealth natin ngayon, yung mga Z package, di ba? Very, very comprehensive na, di ba? Yung mga 24-hour period dati, hindi na kailangan, di ba? You can agad-agad bibigyan ng ng no billing na tayo sa DOH. Siguro, mas maganda rin na the PhilHealth would also provide yung talagang a more comprehensive package.
Where it's needed.
Yeah.
Right. For diagnosed people with autism, di ba? Na
And diagnosis, ang hirap din makuha nun. Kasi
Oo.
pupunta ka pa sa, talaga magbabayad ka just to get the diagnosis.
Right. Oo.
So, sana, right, makakuha tayo ng support where they really prioritize
Oo.
helping the person be part of society. Not just because, ano naman yan, okay lang yan na hindi tulungan.
Oo, okay lang yan, di ba?
Hindi naman yung kawalan sa society.
Okay. Baka yung iba, arte-arte lang yan, di ba?
Baka nga hindi kawalan, baka nga ikadadagdag,
Oo,
pero hindi
tama.
natin nasusupport.
Oo.
So, mga disability na to, talagang gawa ng environment, not because of the individual.
Right.
Yung condition nila, it's not their fault. But how they function in society, ang nagkukos na ng problem is yung environment. So, let's build an environment na talaga makakapag-accommodate for everyone. Not just people
Tsaka,
with
I'm just
autism.
thinking out loud, pero siguro, maganda rin yung, di ba, we have yung NKTI for kidneys, di ba, yung National Heart Center, di ba, Lung Center of the Philippines, di ba? Siguro maganda rin meron tayo mga specialty hospitals
For
or facilities.
neurodevelopment.
Oo, parang National Autism, center or something, di ba? Dapat may ganun para when you have that, or when you think you might have that, doon ka kaagad, di ba? Para agad-agad. Frontline pa lang, hindi, okay po yan. Iba po ang condition yan. It's, dito kayo sa building A, that's a different condition, di ba? Yes, yeah. That your child might have autism and dito tayo para for further assessment. Baka anong...
Holistic approach.
Oo,
Yes.
agad-agad. Oo, we have this, may triage tayo na maganda, di ba? Sige, di ba? Ayusin agad natin.
Can I just ask Diana, as a social worker, where can, as a doctor, once we've made that diagnosis, where would the
Where can you refer?
where can you refer?
Right.
So, ito, nakadepende na talaga sa support system ng LGUs, honestly. So, kasi case study yan ng social worker. I-refer mo sa social worker, they would outsource facilities that could help. Ano yung mga plans.
Yung ba
for
yung mga
function.
city welfare development, yung mga CWDO,
Yes.
MSWD?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. So,
Scope din pala nila yun. Scope din pala nila.
Yeah, so social work in general is focus on the welfare and
Right.
function of the individual. So anything about your life, your development, your finances, yung problems mo in society, si social work yung mag-case study for you.
So when you say case study, parang ang mangyayari, merong social worker na magkakaroon ng direct approach or direct communication with
Yes.
that. Maganda. Yan ang maganda.
So si social worker yung magiging middleman mo. Bridge mo para sa mga facilities, sa help na kailangan mo. They would
okay.
plan out an action plan
Right.
for you. So, syempre, we could only do so much,
Right,
right? So, we can only offer the help that they could have. Pero if they don't choose to take it,
Yeah.
we can't really intervene anymore.
So at the end of the day,
Advocacy talaga yung
it boils down to the family.
Yes.
And that's the community. The community. Kasi pag nakikita mo na not just a family, but the whole community is into it. Di ba? Hindi, sige, okay yan. Di ba? Tulungan naman. Ano ba kailangan yan? Di ba? Yung mga neighbors natin, di ba? Sige. Di ba? So, makikita natin na mas magaan yung flow ng pagtulong. Di ba? Oo nga.
Hopefully, more LGUs would have bigger support when
Right.
it comes to autism. Kasi in reality, sadly, is not everyone is open to it. Na parang, meron na yan, ano pang kailangan gawin. Parang hopeless na sila. Pero once we advocate that, okay, there's so many things that we could do, hopefully, LGUs would be motivated to take those
Ay,
solutions.
mga awareness drive, no, na
Yes.
dapat sana not only the NGOs are really into it, talagang yung local government na, kasi parang may funding din for that,
Yeah.
diba? Or something to help alleviate yung pagpapabilis ng awareness campaign, diba? Kasi diba, it's countrywide, diba? Hindi lang naman hanggang mula Batanes hanggang Sulu, diba? Lahat yan, baka hindi natin alam kung how many cases of autism. We might have statistics on it, pero ang statistics natin dyan, yung mga diagnosed lang, di ba? Oh, the Philippines has this much people with autism, that much who are diagnosed, who've been diagnosed. Para yung mga, halimbawa, nasa outskirts, di ba? Yung, di ba, ang dami na yung mga students na yung from their house, maglalakad ng 2-4 hours para lang makadating sa school.
Mga isolated talaga
Isolated, di ba?
areas.
Na dumadaan pa sa mga ilog, di ba? Na how would we know na wala silang autism, di ba? How would we, di ba?
How would we know what needs they would
Yeah,
they would
apart from obviously yung easier access to education, di
Yes.
ba? Obviously, pero
full welfare talaga.
oo, yun ang sinasabi, need behind the need eh.